that stalling after 3 or 4 minutes of running has been my issue, but only after I ran through the first tank of fuel in the snowblower. So I did some troubleshooting, I changed the spark plug, I cleaned the carburetor, and I ended up dumping the gas, thinking the gas might have been a little old. And when I was refueling, and I've already solved the problem, but I'll just show you. When I was refueling, I noticed there used to be a little metal tin apparatus, concave shaped thing, that was right on that needle. And when I looked into it, what I found, the function of the job of that little tin thing was to vent the tank. And if that tank isn't vented, it's not going to run. It'll run for, it makes sense, run for 3 or 4 minutes and then shuts off. So I went out and I got a replacement. This one has a rubber venting chamber. And put this on. And when I put this on, it works just fine. It's amazing how one little thing, you don't even know. And you know what? I noticed when I pulled that off, I've had this thing for such a long time, I noticed there was something different about it. And yeah, that was it. So when I put that on, and I give this a pull, it will work.